To stay cozy at home. Such a pleasure. I used to dislike winter in the city because it never snows and everything looks a little bit dead. But since COVID lockdown, I learned a new sense of winter. It allows me to stay at home without guilt. I often felt lame for wanting to stay at home on a Friday night with the only purpose of enjoying a bad movie and some noodles. I just don't usually enjoy going out, especially at night. Most of the time, I would rather stay at home crocheting, sewing, or doing whatever wants the little girl in me. But then I doubt myself about the things I might be missing, or if living this way I'm wasting my youth. It's not the fact of going out what I want to avoid, it's the activities related to it. For example, there were many times in my 20s when I went with friends to a rented rustic house, where the only plan was to talk and drink until late. It was torture for me, and I felt forced to stay until the full group decided that it was time to go to bed, or otherwise I would be mocked in the morning for going to bed early. It took me a while to realize I didn't have any obligation to go if I disliked it so much. I had a choice. And you know what? Unlike I expected, nobody mocked me for not going. We could meet for other things. So I started saying no to these plans, and yes to others that I wanted more, or just staying at home enjoying doing nothing. I won so much time and energy this way. I was in a better mood, and when I actually wanted to go out, I had more fun, because I was choosing to be there, and I knew I could leave whenever I wanted. It's not lame to stay cozy if you want. What helped me release the guilt was knowing life changes. Yes, there was a specific summer where I enjoyed going out all night for the town festival. That doesn't mean I have to do it every summer. And yes, in my 20s I loved going to the mountain every weekend, conquering every mountain peak of my country. But I don't anymore. For some years, I tried to keep up with the things I was supposed to do or what I used to love, but the reality was that I wasn't having fun anymore. I even hid for years with terrible knee pain, because I thought without these hobbies I wouldn't have anything else. But what happened was that when I freed myself from these activities, I gained time and energy to discover new ones. People change, and that's a good thing. You're not your hobbies, you're not your habits or your mistakes. Time changes all that, if you let it.
Por aquí y al primero que tenemos es a Simon.